Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nila. Here I will deliver explanation text about the flood. How did the flood happen? In simple terms, flooding can be defined as the overflow of water in large quantities onto land that is usually dry. Flood also due to many things such as excessive rain, overflowing stream of river, lakes or ocean, and clogged solocan caused by human littering. Floods are extremely dangerous and have the potential to wipe out entire cities, coastlines, or areas and cause extensive damage to life and property. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.